How to buy coins on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the bottom right. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen, which will open these options. In here, click on Balance, which is the second option in here. Then, click on Get Coins at the top, which is on the right side. Then you will find all these options. Select the coin you want to buy and press on Recharge at the bottom. Then, click on Add Credit or Debit Card. Then simply add your card information and you will be able to buy coins on TikTok. This is how to buy coins on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.